If your Telegram app keeps crashing the second you open it, you're not the only one. A recent update has completely broken the app, mainly on older iPhones. Let me show you what's going on and how to fix it. So, here's what it looks like. You tap on Telegram, the logo appears for a split second, and then the app just closes. You're straight back to your home screen. You can try reopening it again, same thing. Reinstalling doesn't help either. Restarting your phone doesn't help either. This is a bug in the latest Telegram update. It mainly affects older iPhones, the iPhone X, iPhone 8, iPhone 7, anything running iOS 15 or 16. Telegram have already confirmed it's on their end and they've rolled out a fix. All you need to do is update Telegram, go to the App Store, search for Telegram, and if you see an update button, tap it. Once it's updated, open the app again and it should work. That's literally it. Now, if you don't see an update available, try closing the app completely and reopen it. Sometimes it takes a minute to show. If it still doesn't appear, delete Telegram from your phone, then go back to the App Store and reinstall it fresh. That will give you the latest version with the fix. Is Telegram working again for you? Drop a comment and let me know.